Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with Standard 7 Civics, Chapter 4, Growing Up as Boys and Girls. So, our topic is Women's Work and Equality. As we have seen, the low value attached to women's household and caregiving work is not an individual or family matter. So, the work which women is doing and taking household work she is doing and taking care of the house and the family members, it is not only individual or family matter. It is part of large system of inequality between men and women. So there is lot of inequality between men and women all over the world. It therefore has to be dealt with through actions, not just at just level of the individual or family, but also by the government. So this government should take some actions, because it is not the individual or family matter, it is the whole country is facing the same problem. As we know now, equality is an important principle of our constitution. So our constitution, Indian constitution, gives everybody equal status, okay, and it is equality is an important principle in our constitution. The constitution says that being male or female should not become a reason for discrimination. So because whether you are male or female, there should not be discrimination because of that. In reality, inequality between the sexes exists, but still there is inequality between male and female. Still it's going on in our country. The government is therefore committed to understand the reason for this and take positive steps to remedy the situation. So now government is taking, because government has seen that there are lot of inequality going on, so government is taking step for this. For example, it recognizes the burden of childcare and house work falls on women and girls. So government knows that women are going through lot of pressure of childcare and housework, and even the girls are going through this pressure. So government has taken step and some initiatives are taken by the government. So here we can see this naturally has an impact on whether girls can attend school. So there is a impact whether the girls can attend the school. It determines whether women can work outside the home and what kind of job and career they can have. So whether the women can work outside the house, or they can have their jobs, or they can make their own career. So this is the question in front of the government. So the government has set up Anganwadis or child care centers in several villages in the country. So the women can go and work outside. So government has taken a step and started Anganwadi children or child care center, so that the child can be taken care there. The government has passed laws that makes it mandatory for organization that have more than 30 women employees to provide crash facilities. So government is made mandatory. Okay, mandatory means government has passed a law that there should be compulsory, if the organization is having 30 women employees, so there should be crash facilities to take care of their children. Okay, the women will work there, and the baby care centers will take care of the babies. The provision of crash helps many women to take an employment outside the home, and because of this facility, Okay, the baby care center facilities. Lot of women are doing employment outside the house. They are working outside the house. It also make it possible for girls to attend the school. Now even the girls have started attending the school. Here in the picture you can see children. This is the Anganwadi picture. Children at an Anganwadi center in village in Madhya Pradesh, where children are taken care of.